7 animals of Halloween. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now let's look at 7 animals commonly associated with Halloween. Number 1, the black cat. For a very long time, black cats have been the object of superstition. It has often been said that black cats are the bringers of bad luck and curses to anyone who crosses their path. They have also long since been associated with witchcraft. That quiet, sneaky walk, that loud shriek when spooked. Number 2, the owl. Owls are mainly active at night. They have excellent night vision as well as claws. Their hoot may also add to the spook. Number 3, the wolf. This animal is very active at night. They can be vicious, and that howl in the still of the night. There have been many attacks by wolves on humans. This may have led to tales of werewolves. Are you getting scared? Number 4, bats. Let's face it. They have a cape and hang upside down. They live in dark spaces. They can fly. They make strange sounds. Ooh, seems pretty spooky to me. Number 5, ravens. These birds have shiny black feathers, beady eyes, and a raucous call. They feed on the meat of the dead, both of animals and humans, and love to visit graveyards. Number 6, spiders. Spiders and their webs have long been associated with Halloween. Could it be their 8 long legs, the sticky webs, or the fact that some spiders are poisonous? Whatever it is, no haunted house is complete without some good old spiders. Number 7, rats. Rats travel in frighteningly large numbers and are very active at night. They're also spooky and secretive. It also doesn't help that they carry germs and diseases. And now for a bonus. Toads. They're thought to be warty and ugly and carry poisonous toxins. Because of this, they have been used for spells. This has made them fit for Halloween. Have you ever seen a cauldron ready for a spell that didn't require some toads? Were there any other Halloween creatures we missed? Let us know.